नहीं होगा, कोई नहीं हारेगा जीतेगा हम लोग।
Shanma, hello. Everyone, I'm Dr. Roshni and I welcome you back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to share with you my OBG posting with you all. 30th of May 2024 when my OBGY posting started at Unit 4A of my college, which was an amalgamation of learning new things like performing pap smears, doing vaginal deliveries, assisting in OTs, writing requisition forms, filling the specimen forms, viewing a CS section for the first time, the adrenaline rush while you take the baby out, experiencing spirituality, एक्सपीरियंसिंग पेशेंस, मतलब घंटों लग जाते थे प्राइमी का डिलीवरी करते करते और बच्चा बाहर ही नहीं निकल रहा है. Playing with kids, which was one of the most beautiful and memorable experiences I can have at the OBGY department. Experiencing friendship, family time, love and solitude. It was such a wholesome experience which I can never forget. So our week begins with AD day, which is the admission day. Here you have to fill the antenatal cards of the pregnant women. You have to take the patient particulars, fill in the obstetric score by the GPAL system, take a short history of whether any significant medical or past surgical history is found. Then you have to calculate the period of gestation using the last menstrual period and the USG reports. We can use the OBSCAL, which tells us the period of gestation and the expected date of delivery, because OPD में Naegele's rule follow करना मतलब जान गई. You also can see the USG reports, fill in the antenatal cards using that, और जितने भी blood reports है उसको भी antenatal card में fill करना होता था. Here you can see my co-interns sincerely doing their work. तो एक बार एक फ़नी इंसिडेंट हुई थी OPD में. तो हम लोगों को प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन का BP मेजर करना होता है. मैनुअली इतने सारे लोगों का BP मेजर करना मतलब इम्पॉसिबल काम. तो हमने डिजिटल स्फिगोमैनोमीटर खरीद लिया था और बीच में वो काम करना बंद हो गया था. तो वो चेक कर रहा है कि नहीं, उसके लिए हम लोग ने फ़ोन का BP मेजर करना शुरू कर दिया. After the OPD, you can chill through about till 7 PM because उसके बाद से नाइट लेबर रूम ड्यूटी शुरू हो जाती है. Here you can see my co-intern performing cardiotocography. It is a technique that used to measure the uterine contractions and also the fetal heartbeat. तो लेबर रूम में vaginal deliveries को छोड़ के भी बहुत सारी काम होती हैं. Like you have to continuously monitor the vitals of the patient जो कि admitted है. और यहाँ पे vitals include not only your BP and SpO2 and pulse rate but also the urine output. तो यूजुअली क्रिटिकल पेशेंट्स एक्लेम्शिया 1 एक्लेम्शिया 2 बेड में और HDU 1 to 4 बेड्स पे एडमिटेड होते हैं और रेगुलरली 1 आवर के इंटरवल में हमें उनका वाइटल्स को चेक करना पड़ता है. विद द रियल सर्ज ऑफ लेबर रूम बिगिंस व्हेन यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर सो मेनी पेशेंट्स फॉर सी सेक्शन. प्रिपेयरिंग एज इन डूइंग द चैनल, स्टार्टिंग IV फ्लूइड्स एंड डूइंग द कैथेटराइजेशन. और इसी समय अगर किसी की वेजाइनल डिलीवरी शुरू हो गई मतलब बहुत ही हेक्टिक काम, बिकॉज वन इंटर्न विल बी assisting in vaginal delivery and the other intern has to keep the syringe loaded with oxytocin and lignocaine. और उसी समय ये करते करते मेरे को एक दिन ब्लीड हो गया. ऐसा नहीं है, लेबर रूम में कभी कभी फ्री और चिल टाइम भी मिल जाता है. व्हेन आई एंड माय को-इंटर्न वर वाचिंग द इंडिया का फाइनल वर्ल्ड कप. It is not obvious that you have to return late at night on your AD days, or sometimes you don't even get to return. एक बारी मुझे KMH में ड्यूटी मिल गया था, that is खिदरपुर maternity home on my labor room day, which was pretty clean hospital and really liked working there.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one.
OT days are pretty boring if you don't get to assist in OT because otherwise उनका काम होता है खड़े रहकर अपने पैरों को दर्द देना, स्पेसिमेन निकले तो उसको टैग करना, बट आई वॉज फॉर्चुनेट इनफ टू असिस्ट इन 3 OTs. One was TH, that is transabdominal hysterectomy with bilateral salpingo-oophorectomy. The other one was bilateral tubal ligation. Got to C-section for the first time and also assisted a C-section on the last day of my OBGYN posting.
मेरी फोटो अच्छी है, ऐसा बच्चा को सीधा कर। हाँ एकदम एक मनोज।
On Tuesdays, you get ample amount of time to do the things you love to do, like chilling with your friends and going for shopping. So one of our didis love to play with kids so much, and I resonate with her because I love doing the same. Morning labor is usually hectic hota hai. Here you can see the handover going on. बीच में you can go to the doctor's room of the labor room, जिसमें you can chill थोड़ा बहुत amidst the hectic morning labor duty. So here I am heading to ITC Shonar Bangla to attend HopeCon 2024, which was apparently the first conference I've attended in my entire medical life. It was such a beautiful experience, meeting new people, eminent doctors, listening to their not so boring lectures, eating beautiful and tasty delicacies, winning so many competitions. Giving a speech at a round table conference, oh my god, wow, it was.
क्यों ले रहे हो? इसको ले लो तो संदी।
Oh sure. आदित्य भैया को लूंगी।